Hello students. So today I am going to start with the chapter Understanding Shapes. So before we start with the concept, let us discuss what is polygon. It is a closed plane figure bounded by straight line segments. The line segment forming a polygon intersect only at endpoints and each endpoint is shared by only two line segments. Now, if you see the first diagram, here A, B, C, D, E and F represent a polygon. But this figure does not represent a polygon as it intersects at a point O. Similarly, it is not a closed figure. Now, let us discuss the kind of polygon we have. Polygon is of two types, convex polygon and concave polygon. Convex polygon is one where each angle of a polygon is less than 180 degree. If you look at this figure, each angle is less than 180 degree. But in case of a concave polygon, at least one angle of a polygon is greater than 180 degree. If you look at the diagram, this angle is greater than 180 degree. So this is an example of concave polygon. Now, let us discuss the two formula. Sum of interior angles of a polygon with n sides is equal to 2n minus 4 into right angle, that is 2n minus 4 into 90 degree, and sum of exterior angles of a polygon equals to 360 degree. So we are going to use these two formula. One is sum of interior angles of a polygon and another is sum of exterior angle of a polygon. Let us discuss few problems. Calculate the sum of angles of a polygon with 12 sides. That means here n equals to 12. So sum of angles formula is 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. So in place of n substitute 12. So we will get 2 into 12 minus 4 into 90 degree. 12 into 2, 24 minus 4 into 90 degree. 24 minus 4 equals to 20 into 90 degree equals to 1800 degree. Our next question is, find the number of sides in a polygon if the sum of its interior angle is 1620 degree. That means here sum is given as 1620. So formula of sum of interior angle is 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. So first we take this 90 degree to the other side. So 0 0 cancel, 9 1 ja 9, 7 2, 9 8 ja 72. So 2n minus 4 equals to 90 degree. It is equals to 2n equals to 18 plus 4. So we will get 2n equals to 22. Therefore n equals to 11. Now next question is it possible to have a polygon whose sum of interior angles is 7 right angles? 7 right angles means 7 into 90 degree. So the question is it possible to have a polygon whose sum of interior angle is 7 into 90? So we consider let 2n minus 4 into 90 degree, which is the formula of sum of interior angle, equals to 7 into 90. So if you take the 90 on the other side, 19 and 90 cancel each other. So you'll get 2n minus 4 equals to 7. That means 2n is equal to 7 plus 4, 11. So we'll get n equal to 11 by 2. Since n is a rational number or decimal, so it is not possible, because n sum of, when you say that the number of sides in a polygon, so it always takes a natural number. So if it is a decimal, so it is not possible. Our last question for the day is, if all the angles of a 14-sided figures are equal, find the measure of each angle. Now 2n minus 4 into 90 will give you the sum of interior angle, and if you divided it by n, that means number of sides, So we'll get measurements of each angle. So measurement of each angle equals to 2n minus 4 into 90 by n. So in place of n substitute 14. So you'll get 2 into 14 minus 4 into 90 by 14. So 2 into 14 equals to 28. 28 minus 4, 24 into 90 by 14. 2 7 ja 2 12 ja. So 12 into 90 equals to 1080 by 7. If you convert it into mixed fraction, you will get 154 whole 2 by 7 degree. Thank you, students.